have a mouth. Hi, welcome to Berkeley Chef. I'm Jenny here again. Welcome to this channel, the Berkeley Chef. And today we're going to make sweet and sour Asian dishes. I have a Saraya baked tofu there. You can either bake it or either you can pan fry it on the pan. So I have onion and garlic to saute. I put a little bit of oil there and onion and garlic to saute the thyme and ginger. And I make a sweet and sour sauce. I have tomato paste, ketchup, sea salt, black pepper, a little bit of coconut sugar, apple cider vinegar. So this is like a sauce we're gonna put on it. First saute the onion and garlic to get cook a little bit, about a couple of minutes, okay? Then I'm gonna throw in the carrots first. This carrot is a little bit harder, so you need the carrot to cook a little bit more. So I like to brown a little bit of the onion and garlic to get the fragrance of the onion and garlic and ginger to come out, the aroma of it, okay? That's what I call it, like a layer of seasoning of cooking. That's the way I used to do every kind of my dishes. I love to saute a little bit of that to let all the aroma of the spices and the herbs and onion and garlic just to come out really, really good, okay? So just give it a couple of minutes. And so we're gonna do that. So you can bake this tofu ahead of time or make it ahead of time, and that will save you a lot of time. Maybe in the next video we're gonna show you how to make that tofu. And so it's very easy to do. Oh boy, I can smell the onion and the garlic, you know. And then I would like to add the carrot first, because carrot tend to be a little bit harder, so you need a little bit of time to cook. And then I will add the rest of them. So I have snow pea, pineapple, sweet pepper, okay? So I'm just going to add a little bit of water to let it simmer the carrot, to cook it, you know, just to soften it up, a little bit tender, so it's easier, okay? I'm just going to cover that, let it cook a little bit. The other things that you can add in like different kind of vegetable you like cauliflowers, broccoli, any kind of even bok choy will do, anything will do. The other things that I like to thicken up the sauce later on to make it a little bit thicker, I will add tapioca starch. I like tapioca starch because it's thicken up the sauce a little bit. And I know in Chinese cooking they use a lot of cornstarch. If you do use a cornstarch, make sure you buy organic cornstarch, not GMO corn. So I tend to opt out more tapioca or arrowroot starch that will thicken up the sauce very nicely, and also add a little bit of glaze to it, so it's really, really nice, like, you know. So I prefer that way. So we're going to show you how to do that. That's a Chinese cooking. Okay, so we're gonna let the carrot simmer, and while it's cooking, and I'm just gonna do the sauce here. I'm gonna put it in later. We'll add a little bit sweet, tangy. If you want a little bit spicy too, you can add like some pepper sauce to it, a couple of drops, and that will make it nice as well. So whichever way is good, okay? So just mix up everything. Just want to make sure everything's okay. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. You can cook this kind of like a semi-tender instead of too mushy, because some people like it really cook up, but I prefer semi kind of a tender. So I'll drop this in, the sweet pepper. Let me try that real quick. Just let the sweet pepper cook for a few minutes. You can add water if it seems that the water is going down. You can add some more water, but it's okay. Let's add a pineapple. And now I'm going to add the sauce to let it. Now you can put a little water here just to just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna put some sea salt, some black pepper. I'm just gonna cover it and let it just simmer. Just gonna try half a teaspoon of sea salt. And if you need more, you can add some more. Black pepper. Okay. Oh boy, you can really smell the thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it simmer for just a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna let me tangle. Okay, just move everything out of the way. And I'm gonna get the brown rice ready. I already cooked some brown rice earlier for later. You can use brown rice or quinoa. any other grains that you want, like kamut, spelt grain, anything, free Greek, anything that you love, or even noodles will do. Anything that you like, but brown rice is pretty good. It's quite stable in the Asian family. That's how I grew up with, and that's it. And we're gonna get some tofu going, some green onion. Okay, let's have a look at this thing, and I'm gonna make a glaze sauce right now in a minute. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna throw in the green onions. Okay, let's throw in the green peas now. I like to snap peas just to cook it just a little bit, not like make it very crisp. I want it bright green. I don't want it like so overcooked. It's so good to eat it even like raw in its own form. Oh boy, it's almost done there. Okay, just give it a few minutes. I'm just gonna cover that. While in the meantime, I'm gonna make a tapioca glaze in here to thicken up the sauce. So we probably need about maybe 2 tablespoons. It's very common in Chinese cooking, how I grew up with. My dad and mom used to put like cornstarch, but since learning about to be healthy, much more healthier version, I try to avoid GMO, genetic modified food. Especially corn is very genetically modified, so I tend not to buy cornstarch unless it's organic. Okay, so just make a glaze here. So you make just cornstarch, a little bit of water, and then you're gonna dump it in the sauce there. It's gonna thicken up a little bit. You're gonna add a little bit glaze. It's kind of like smooth, glossy kind of looking when it's done a little bit. Now how's the thing? Oh, I can smell all the spices right here. Okay, we're gonna throw in the sauce right now, the tapioca. Okay, here you go. Here you go, it's glossy up. I'll show you in a minute. I think it's almost done. There you go. Ooh, nice. I think I'm going to shut down the fire now. It's already done. I'm just going to remove some of this. Nice looking. And thicken up a little bit. So we are ready for our food. You can dump this right on the top. Just give it a little mix. Okay. There you go. It is almost done. Nice. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna add this to the top of this in here. Oh boy, look at it. Ooh, nice. Such a nice, beautiful dish right here. Look at it. Pineapple, green onion, ginger. Lovely. Look at it. Sprinkle some green onion. Okay. Oh, I don't chop it. You can add like black sesame seed, throw in some nuts, some nori sheets. Everything will look good. Let me see if I have some black sesame seed here. I think so. There you go. Look at it. Nice. Look, the dish is almost done. It's only taking maybe less than 20 minutes or 30 minutes to have the preparation type. Just take a little bit longer, just chopping up all the vegetables. And here we go, and we are ready to eat. Yummy, yummy. But the other thing is that you can also add toasted sesame oil if you want, but that's an option. But we're gonna taste a little bit of this, okay? Ooh, nice and sweet, tangy broccoli. Just gonna have a mouthful. Wow. Nice, sweet, tangy, food full of flavor with garlic, onion, and ginger. Is an Asian dish. So until next time, subscribe to our channel and make this dish and send me a comment and a feedback, and see you next time.